In 2014, I built a PC that I thought would last a few years. What I didn't expect is that it would last this long. From working on it to playing games, streaming and content creation, this old PC has carried me through everything I've needed. And for the most part, it's been error-free, handling at times programs I didn't think it would. And aside from a new cooler, a larger SSD and some additional RAM, it's remained the same as it was when I built it. In short, this old PC has been excellent and is a testament to how well a PC can last. However, over the last few years it's been increasingly creaking at the seams, so I've been buying parts to build a new PC, one that I hope will carry me well into the future. And having now built it, I can honestly say it's fantastic and I'm delighted with how well it's turned out. So if you're also looking to build a new PC or are simply curious to see how this one turned out, then watch this video as I show you exactly what I bought, how I put it together and what it's like to use. And if you do find this video helpful, then please help support the channel by subscribing below and hit the like and alert bell. So why now, particularly with the recent price rises? Well, my old PC simply isn't up to it anymore. It can't play the latest games, it doesn't meet the minimum requirements for an increasing number of software programs, and there's no upgrade path to Windows 11. Leaving me with no other choice than to build a new PC. Thankfully though, I did manage to buy most of the parts before the price rises, although I did have to pay extra for the SSD. So what exactly did I buy? Well, at the heart of this build is a powerful AMD Ryzen 9950X3D. This processor, or CPU thanks to its core count and 3D cache, is an absolute monster, able to handle anything I throw at it and still have room to spare. But it is expensive. So if you're planning on building a gaming PC, then you might want to save some money and consider the 9800X3D or 9850X3D, both of which offer the same gaming performance but are less powerful when it comes to productivity. For graphics, I bought the NVIDIA 5070 Ti graphics card, giving me plenty of power for modern games and creative work. This particular card, the MSI inspired, not only looks good, but is smaller and weighs less than other similar cards. Alternatively, the AMD RX 9070 XT is another excellent card, offering similar performance to the 5070 Ti graphics card and is cheaper too. On the memory front, I bought 32GB of DDR5 RAM, giving me more than enough headroom for everything I need, including work, gaming and creative content. And all of this will sit inside the Meshify 3, a mid-sized gaming case with excellent airflow. If you'd like to see a full list of all the parts I bought, check out the description below where I've added links of where to buy them. So, with all the parts bought, this is how I put it together. First, opening and preparing the motherboard. Then, opening and installing the CPU, in this case the 9950X3D, carefully because this is a part you don't want to mess up. Next, opening and installing the SSD, making sure to remove the film on both sides of the heatsink. Once it's ready, simply slot it in and click it in place. With the SSD in place, it's time to open and prepare the CPU cooler. Now for this build I bought an air cooler, and that's because I prefer them to all-in-one solutions. They're generally more reliable, easier to install, and I like the look of them. And as you'll see shortly, this one does a great job at keeping the CPU cool. Next, installing the RAM. Then, preparing the case to install everything. After opening the power supply, I installed all the cables before slotting it into the case. Once that was done, it was then time to install the cooler. After connecting all the cables to the motherboard, it was time to open and install the graphics card, using the native cable that came with the power supply. Once done, I tidied up the cables at the back, put the case back together and switched it on. And thankfully it booted first time. I then opened the monitor I bought, put it together and replaced my old PC at the desk. And that's it, the build's complete. I've updated the BIOS, installed Windows 11, put on all the drivers including the latest chipset driver, and I've tested the RAM with Memtest86 and the CPU with Cinebetch 2026, and everything is working exactly as it should. Now all that's left is to try it out with a few games.
Keep these rotten sealers out of my fangs for weeks. Situation here at the launcher is becoming severe. Have you secured the virus bomb? No. For every port I smash, 10 more come raining down. If we fail to launch that bomb, there will be nothing to stop the Tyranids.
Eyes on hot attempted. Watch it. There goes the armor. There goes their armor. Swapping mag.
Target down. Still confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
There's an enemy shooter.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
So what are my thoughts about this new build? Well, in short, I absolutely love it. I mean, this thing is a powerhouse, and to date I haven't had any issues with it. Everything works incredibly well, games look fantastic, and I'm able to run multiple software programs at once with no effort at all. I am delighted with it, and to complement this new PC, I'm planning to improve my desk setup in the future. So if you want to see how that turns out, then make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss it. But what about you? Are you thinking about building a new PC? Perhaps you've bought or built one already, or maybe you're just interested in a particular component. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and maybe we can chat about it. Meanwhile, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe below and hit the like and alert bell. The support you give by doing this makes a huge difference and it's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.